On February 17, 2021, the UK has approved the first of its kind COVID study that will expose young and healthy volunteers to COVID-19 as part of efforts to further understand the virus, the government has announced. Due to begin in the next few weeks, the study will recruit up to 90 carefully selected participants aged between 18 and 30 who are at the lowest risk of complications from coronavirus, and expose them to the pathogen in a safe and controlled environment. The researchers will initially use the coronavirus that was first introduced to the UK in March 2020, as opposed to the more transmissible variant that was detected in Kent late last year. After exposure, the volunteers will be closely monitored by medics and scientists for 24 hours a day throughout the study. They will be kept in quarantine for a minimum of 17 days and only allowed to return home after this period once they are no longer deemed infectious. It's hoped the research, which has received 33.6 million British pounds in government funding, will help doctors to further understand how the immune system reacts to SARS-CoV-2, identify factors that influence how the virus is transmitted, and aid the development of treatments and vaccines. Known as a human challenge study, the first phase of research aims to establish the smallest amount of virus needed to cause infection. Scientists expect this to take up to 2 months. Once completed, and depending on the outcomes, additional volunteers will then be recruited, vaccinated and exposed to the virus to help identify the most effective jabs and accelerate their development. Approval for this part of the study has not yet been granted.